Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you the K&F Concept Magnetic Filter Kit. Honestly, it's such a quick and easy way to set up. It uses a magnetic mount so you can swap filters in like a second. No messing about with screwing them on and off, apart from the adapter ring at the beginning. You get an ND8 and ND64 which cut light by 3 and 6 stops. Perfect for waterfalls, rivers, or when the light's just a bit too harsh. There's also a CPL filter to cut down reflections and make skies and landscapes look way better. The filters are made from high quality AGC glass with 28 layers of coating, so they're scratch resistant, waterproof, dustproof, and no weird colour shifts either. This kit includes the NDs, the CPL, a magnetic adapter ring and a magnetic lens cap, and it's designed for the 62mm lenses, so make sure you check your lens size. What I noticed is if you knock the magnetic filter, it can fall off and it's quite easy to knock off, so be careful if you're going out and about because you can lose it. So I may use an old-fashioned screw-on filter in the end to be safe and not lose things.